This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ocean waves with epoxy resin. First, gather your essential materials to ensure a smooth, creative process. You will need a high-quality, clear epoxy resin kit, along with a bright white pigment paste to create the foam. Don't forget several mixing cups, stir sticks, and a reliable heat gun to achieve that perfect lacing effect. Always work on a level surface protected by a drop cloth. Begin by accurately measuring your resin and hardener in separate cups, typically a 1-to-1 ratio by volume. Then, combine them into a larger cup and stir slowly for at least 3 minutes, carefully scraping the sides and bottom. This slow mixing prevents excess air bubbles. Pour this clear, mixed resin onto your project base, creating a foundational layer that is approximately 1/8 of an inch thick. Ensure your workspace remains at a steady temperature, ideally around 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal curing. Now, let's craft those distinctive waves. Take a small amount of your mixed resin and blend in a tiny bit of white pigment paste until it's a brilliant, opaque white. Carefully drizzle thin, irregular lines of this white resin onto your clear base layer, placing them where you envision your wave crests. Immediately, use your heat gun on a low setting to gently push and spread the white resin, creating that delicate, foamy lacing effect. This beautifully mimics ocean spray and adds dynamic movement to your artwork. Once your waves are sculpted to perfection, it is crucial to let your artwork cure properly. Place your piece in a dust-free area and cover it loosely to protect it from airborne particles for at least 24 hours. The resin will be tack-free after about 8 to 12 hours, but it requires a full 72 hours to achieve maximum hardness. After this curing period, your stunning epoxy resin ocean waves will be complete, ready to be admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.